This is you, starting with nothing, no savings, no plan, just confusion. You check your money, and it's always zero. Feels frustrating, right? But one day, a simple idea changes everything. What if you save just a small amount every single day? It may look small, almost meaningless at first, but this is where the journey begins. Days pass, and consistency starts to build something real. Slowly, your savings begin to grow. Now you discover something powerful: compounding. Your money doesn't just sit, it starts growing on its own. Think of it like planting a seed. At first, growth is slow, almost invisible, but patience is the secret because over time, small things become big. Now your money is growing faster than before, and you start feeling proud of yourself. The key is simple: keep going, ignore distractions, stay focused on your goal. Let time and consistency do the work. One day, you hit your first big milestone and you don't stop there because now your money is working for you until finally you reach $1 million. Not by luck, but by simple habits and patience. Start small, stay consistent, and your future will thank you.